YouTube channel. Today I'm in chick farm here. There we see my chick farms here are so strong, are so good, are so wonderful. Guys, if you are new to that channel, please watch me. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please search Elliot Book, only you will get more information about chick farm. Here I'm in my farm now, guys. I want to tell you that in farming you have to be so farming you don't want cornering. Yeah? You see, farming you want to go straight, guys. Today I want to tell you, let me go straight to the point that I want to tell you. I want to tell you that chick farm is so good to have them. It's good to have. It's good to be doing farming, about any farming, but me I need more about chicks. Yeah? It's not I know, but I like that chick farming. Mostly is so good. Yeah. That I want to tell you that I want to do some. I want to give them some. I have glass and what glass and sukuma wiki that I want to give them. I want to cut some pieces and I give them in good condition, guys. Yeah, that only sukuma wiki is doing carbohydrate for chicks, and small ones is carbohydrates. You get carbohydrates and many favorite of making your farm strongly, making your chicks strong so that they can lay strong eggs that you can't. Many people can buy your eggs. Many people can tell you, Elliot, please make me have your eggs, and I'll be so happy, guys, if you will do that. Guys, stay with me up to the end of this video. You'll watch so many things about chick farming, about farming also outside there. I'm doing farming. I'm planting many things, guys, in Africa, Kenya here. Guys, I'm in Kenya. I'm doing good. Let me greet you first of all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video from. I'm from Kenya. Please, if you're watching this video, it's a boy from Kenya. It's called Elliot Boke. Yeah, he's trying to make noise so that they want to go outside. They don't have food, but I'm going to give them anything that they want. Guys, stay tuned up to the end of this video. We'll watch many things about chick farming. Please let me show you how I'm going to manage or to handle these things, variety of what I need, what I have today to give them. Please, they are making some noise. You see, that's now the sound of these things. Yeah, guys, watch me up to the end of this video. We'll see many things about my farm. Check is so good. Yeah, you see, it's so good, guys. And they have some eggs here already. They have given me, and that one they also sleeping. They want to give me smaller ones, guys. Watch me up to the end of this video. Let me show you outside there what I'm going to do now. Let me make it here. Yeah, that way. And I want to close this way so that my chicks can't. Yeah, what's up, guys? Watch me, please. That's how I'm going to handle it. Guys, you have to be careful when you are doing these things. Now let me show you. this is sukuma wiki. This is sukuma wiki, guys, and this is glass. I want to cut them, yeah, so that I give them when they have cutted. Yeah, please watch me up to the end of this video. You get more about chick farming, guys. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel, guys. And guys, you have to wash it first before you do anything. I want to wash it before I do anything. Yeah, guys, I've already cutted them. There you see. Now I want to give them now. After this, you have to put water in a good container here. The way I told you, want to put inside here. This for water. This for water. I don't have natural data for buying, but I did natural. It's good to do natural things. Now my birds are outside, guys. Now my birds are outside. Yeah, I have decided to move them outside because of this house so dirty that I want to wash it. I want to clean it. Yeah, decided to move them outside. Let me show you where he's going. Now he's trying to walk around here. Let me show you. Do you see? So good to be outside. Yeah, you see? You see? My birds are, but the sun are affecting my camera. My birds are outside, comfortable, are eating outside. And let me show you where I want to plant some cabbage. No, it's not cabbage, sukuma wiki and spinach. If I get that then. So here, you see, it's just seeing this a small garden that I want to plant some vegetables here. I want to plant for them something here, something good. You see, sukuma wiki or cabbage, not cabbage. Cabbage here it can't be. Cabbage, sukuma wiki, spinach. Yeah, I want to plant here. Oya aje popoa. I'm greeting one of my friends. Guys, if you are new to that channel, please support your boy Edward Bok from the village. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy, guys. If you are seeing my video, if you are watching me, I'm so happy. I'll be I'll be doing many videos about chick farming and about farming outside there. I'll show you many things that I'm doing, but today I want to go and find outside there something that I want to fix it before the sun be hot in Africa here and the rain is coming, guys. I'll show you anything that you want from me. Please stay tuned up to the end of this month or this year also, guys. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, consider watching my videos. Today's heading, let us be about sukuma wiki and what, and glass. That's the heading that I'll be writing. But yeah. But I want to go to see one of my friends here. It's called Nikoboda. Today I'll make sure I've get them, and I'll be doing with her the video, guys. Yeah, stay tuned up to the end of this video. Yeah, I'm so grateful. So good. Guys, that's the storeroom that I have been sleeping here. This is my bed, that's my bed, and that's the storeroom now. That's the storeroom where I put the food of my birds. Yeah, of my birds. Let me show you. But it's not good. It's not good to sleep in the storeroom. But also, God be God. I'll be doing my own home. Yeah. You see, that's what my chicks eating. Yeah, please stay tuned up to the end of this month, guys. I'll be showing you many things. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. I like you. I love you all.